Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target, and then I record myself doing it. That's what we're about to do right now. So let's do that. Oh, look at what we got here. All right, we got two parts of this. And I think because of the uniqueness of this shape, we're going to use. So I use the blank template, which is a single paragraph element, and that's what we're going to do to create this. I guess it's a U on its side, and then the vertical will do as a background on the body. So let's do that. I don't think it matters where we put the margins really. So let's move that 4, 5, 6 because we only have one element we're going to be doing. Let's do border. I want to do it as border. Yeah, I do. Border 40 pixels solid yellow. How about 20 pixels? How about 30, 20, 30, 30 pixels. Okay, more margin on the sides. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. And what if, so the height needs to be something, probably it's 30 also. There it is. I'm going to put a border radius of 1 inch. Let's see if that does it. And it kind of does. I'm going to get rid of the. So this is what we get with this set of margins. Now, here's where the margins matter. I'm going to move these onto the paragraph element because I'm going to do something a little bit different. So let's go 5. No, that's good. 90, 92, 87. 87 is correct. All right. So because I just want to do this border radius of 1 inch rather than what? 1 inch, 1 inch, 0, 0. Oh, whoops. 0, 1 inch, 1 inch, 0. So there we can see that. Um, maybe that's fine. Actually, oh, that's just great. So I need to trap this part, right? Like that's no good. This middle bit, I don't need all that border. I could do border and border width is not a solution. I could do 30 pixels, 30 pixels, 30 pixels, 0. Oh, yes, it is. Never mind. See, that's actually a great solution to that. In this, okay, so here's what I'm talking about. No, this is a fine solution. What I was thinking was that I wouldn't need to specify all these border radius. I could just do a 1 inch, right? And then that gets deformed. So if I nuke that and then do 30 pixels, then I need to change this so that I lop off some of this, and that would be a mask or a clip path. So let's do that. Mask of a linear gradient. Yeah, this is not a good solution. Let's undo, 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 undo. And we're going to stick with what I didn't think was possible. So we have our border radius, and there's just two parts that are curved, and then straight on the other, and then we adjust the border width in a way that makes sense. So that's fine. I'm not sure what I was thinking. I'm a little tired. Okay, and then for the middle bar, how about a conic gradient, which is have a central at value at 30 pixels, and we'll say maybe just like that. And then we have red, this red or off red or orangey or whatever. 0. Now, is that going to be tall enough if I move it over and move it down? I don't think it's going to be tall enough. So that's what I was hoping that it would be, but it's not. On 85, and then push it down 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, that is tall enough. So that's just fine. So we are using the 50% height, so it's less than 150 pixels tall between the bottom of this, the bottom border, the underneath the top border of this paragraph element down to here. So let's minify and change this to that ampersand body, and then submit. And I think that's 100%, and that's good. Not on my A game. But this is a fun one to practice on, and it's a pretty good score, even without tuning. And yes, there are always I'm never I these videos I tend not to do all of the optimizations and tunings that I could do. Thanks for commenters who pointed out that I got border width color or border color left. I forgot the order, so it's border color and then left if that's the case. There are also border color inline, border color block. There's lots of different ways to specify border. Obviously, that's more characters almost always, but sometimes a border left can be specified and you don't have to put zeros and all these other things. So we could do, so for border radius, we could do different values for these 4 different specifiers to specify each one of these. That'd be another option. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you're well. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page, and I'll see you again tomorrow.